So UC Browser has an inbuilt code scanner, which is going to use your mobile phone's camera. Very much simple and easy. So if your mobile phone don't have that feature, you can be using UC Browser to be scanning codes. So let me show you guys how to do that. Tap on the bottom middle hamburger menu there. Good. And after that, what we are going to do is we tap on the tools there. After the tools, you can see QR scanner. Tap on that. And it's going to use your mobile phone's camera. So let me raise it and you can see it does it. So it's going to scan that. After scanning that, it finds the page and then it's going to load the page on UC Browser, something like that. So just that they're trying to push some sort of initiative. Yeah. So mostly when you scan something, it's going to redirect you to a browser or something. So you just scan and then use UC Browser to scan or to hop on that site, whether it's a WhatsApp link or anything, it will redirect you to UC Browser and from UC Browser to the WhatsApp, something like that. So if you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. That's it. Peace.